Hi everyone, it's Layla, founder of Felicidade Wellness. Hope you're doing well today. I just thought I'd pop on and give you some guidance on how to use the videos that I'm creating for you. So, the best thing to do is to find a quiet space in your home, and this could be on a yoga mat or on the ground. And then hit the play button, and at that point, if you feel comfortable to do so, you can close your eyes, and if you'd rather not, just have a soft focus or a soft gaze, and then listen until the very end, and hopefully feel a lot more refreshed, relaxed and grounded at the end. And then take that into the rest of your day. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share with anyone who you think might enjoy it. Have a great day. Bye.